Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikate here and I'm back with a new video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see what someone else likes on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's start. First of all, you have to launch the Instagram app on your device. So open the Instagram app and then logged into your Instagram account. Once you're logged in, now to see what someone else likes on Instagram, there is no any direct way that we can simply go and see. But there are alternative tricks that we can follow. Now search for that account in order to see what that account likes on Instagram. For that, tap on the search bar and on the search bar search for that account. When you land on their profile page, now go to their following. Now you have to select any one of their following account. Once you select that, now go to their post. You will be able to see that the account that you have searched recently have liked this Instagram post. So this is the only way you can view what others account like on Instagram. But if they have turned off activity status on Instagram, you won't be able to see their likes on Instagram. So this will be the only way from where you can view someone else likes on Instagram. That's all, and I hope this video helped you, and make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you may get further updates from our channel. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.